Hey honeys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sajeé Monaí, and today's video we are doing a luxury unboxing. Okay, I had got some things from my Europe trip. Okay, I mean, who would go to Paris and not come back with a little something? I mean, if you can, like, come on. So in this video I will be doing an unboxing, and I'm not going to prolong this. Let's get right into it. Okay, so a little story time. I have been stalking YSL Saint Laurent for some time to figure out what the right bag was for me. I was looking at the Lulu, which I probably will still get, but this bag really spoke to me and I was like, I need it. But before I open up the big dog, I have been looking for a new card holder. I do have my card holder from Louis Vuitton, which I wear out. I don't think I ever switch out of it unless I use my key clave from Louis Vuitton, but I think it was time for another another card holder, and I needed something that was in black and gold that can kind of go with everything. Even though my Louis Vuitton one, I have it in the traditional monogram, it literally goes with everything. I mean, I think that's one of the perks of that type of print. But I picked me up something from Saint Laurent. Now, I think this is the right way. I literally have been holding on to this into this moment for you and I. That's how much I love you. That's how much I care, okay? I've waited until this moment. I literally have been back home for a little bit now, and I'm choosing to unpack this with you guys. Unbox, girl, can you talk? Okay, unbox this with you guys, okay? So let's go. Oh, I haven't seen it since the man packed it up in the store. Like, oh, I actually think I'm going to keep the wrapping tied if I can. Okay, no, it doesn't look like I can. Oh, maybe I can. Okay. So this is how it looks. Okay. Now, to be transparent, I do not have all of the paperwork with me. I really don't, or maybe I do. Okay, so came in this YSL envelope. It's in French because I did get this in France. So it just has some care instructions, I believe. This is what this is. Yeah, I think these are care instructions and they're all in French. So I don't really think I can do much with that. Because again, I did get this at the Paris, in Paris. I believe it was called the Chantelis. I may be butchering that, honey. Again, my French is not the best. Even though I took French in undergrad, Je m'appelle Sajeé. Best I got. So it comes in this nice, cute dust bag. It even has a little drawstring aspect here, but don't really need that. So comes in a dust bag, and we're gonna pull it out. All right, so you guys have probably seen this a ton, but I mean, it's still good, right? It's still amazing. I am just in awe. It looks so beautiful. It's really sturdy. It was between this one and another like soft leather one, but I was like, I'm really rough and tough on my card holders, and I wouldn't want one that could like really have a lot of scratches on it. I put my keys in my bag, all that good stuff. So I wanted something that would be durable, and this was the best option for me for a card holder. So I am in love with this. Let's take this out and give it some love. Let's give it its debut. So excited. So this fits 1, 2, 3, 4 card holders, like slots. So cards, not card holders, but cards. And then you have the middle, so that's like 5. But I probably can fit, well, with my Louis Vuitton card holder, it only has two, like one here, one on the back, and then the middle part. And I have about 7 or 8 cards that I put in there, honey. Listen, I get my wear, okay? So that is the YSL card holder that I purchased. Oh, she is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I can't wait to pull her out. Like, so with this Saint Laurent bag, I was looking for something that was an everyday bag. You know, I'm still building my luxury collection, and I like my bags to have multiple purposes. Just keep it right here. I like my bags to have multiple purposes, and right now, you know, for how I'm building my collection, I want something to be able to go from day to night, something that I can have dressed casually, something that I can dress up, and it can go through different occasions. That's what I really found with my Louis Vuitton Alma BB and the Damia Ben print. I literally can wear it casually, and I can wear it at night, and it's pretty much has become my everyday handbag. Let's say I switch it out to some of my Coach bags or just my other leather handbags that I do have. So again, I went in with the idea of getting the Lulu, but changed my mind. I will still get the Lulu, but instead of getting it with the gold hardware, because of this particular bag, I more than likely would get it with the matte black or the black one. I don't think it's matte. It may be matte or not, but that's more than likely the version of the Lulu I will get, which will actually be really perfect because that will then be a very great, literally everyday bag that I can also dress up. And because has the black hardware, it can go with any accessories that I choose to wear with it. So definitely looking forward to that purchase. That's probably going to be next. Outside of maybe a Gucci bag that I've been eyeing, and some Gucci accessories like their hats and things like that. But anyway, I will create actually a video that goes over my luxury wish list. Let's not make this video long and drawn out because we are here for Saint Laurent, baby, okay? Don't it just sound good coming out of my mouth? Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent, okay? All right, so this is the box. So excited, like you can't, like, I mean, I may include some clips in here of me actually purchasing the bag, trying to get on. I may not, but
I have rose champagne. It's good for you?
Yes, so here she is. Okay. Alright, let's open up. Extra. What? Read all about it. So this is how it came packaged. Beautiful. I actually really appreciate that they did not put the sticker like closing it. They just literally put it right here. I really appreciate that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not with my lights, but yeah, I really appreciate that. Let me just put that. Oh, okay. So that's how I'm doing it. So literally just open up. And there she is with all her glory. She does have a little mark here. Now let me tell you, this wasn't my suitcase, my carry-on, and we had to make some things work. So hopefully she's all good. So let's take her out. All right. Yeah, she's all good. Okay, this girl. Okay. So this is the dust bag that it comes in. Again, it has that drawstring piece on the side if you want to close it. I did ask them to keep all the wrapping on here because I was traveling, and isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous? Now, You guys are probably going to tear me up because I cannot remember the name of this bag. I will probably insert it in the video. Because again, I was very like pressed for the Lulu handbag. So this was another one I had, but I just saw it on a whim one day, but I actually asked to see it. Well, no. I asked to see the Lulu handbag, and he brought this one out, and he was like, usually people who like the Lulu like this bag. And I was like, this bag is so freaking gorgeous. And I was looking for a black with gold details on the bag, okay? So this is she in all her glory. So let's take off the paper. I feel like when you take off the paper, it just makes it like so freaking official. So freaking official. This is a smoother leather. So we can't just bang her around. But I saw the one in the not so smooth leather, and I really didn't care for it. And I loved, and it had a different gold chain. I love the more like, I don't know, rustic or like this type of gold chain. You can wear this as a crossbody. You can wear this as a shoulder bag. And that was what I really loved about it. Again, I don't know if I share this, but I am a person who loves a crossbody. And I like to get my cost per wear for my handbags. Again, I'm in the process of building my collection. So I do look for pieces that allows me to wear them in different ways. That gives me flexibility until I have a good collection where I can kind of go for those. All right, it's just meant for nighttime or date nights or for this particular like moment, I'm trying to get this plastic off. It's very secure. It's very, very, very secure, which I'm not mad at, okay? This bag had to make it all the way from Europe to the Midwest, honey, and through customs and through everything else. So, I take that back. I had this in my carry-on, but it had to make it through everything. Oh, okay. So we have gotten all of the plastic off. It has like this, it's not a lock, but it's like a key, like a holder. You can put something on it and hold something on it. I probably would never do that. This is how the chain is looking. It's really long. It has this leather piece here. The Lulu has like 2 of these on there, like on the strap, which I really like as well. Again, that's still going to be a piece that I'm going to get. But look at it. Look at all her glory. She's kind of getting a little bit stuck. Let's work this out. Let's work this out, okay, babes? All right. I'm trying to fix her so she looks good. Okay, so yes. So this is her, and this is like the perfect length. And again, you can also make this into a shoulder bag with this, higher up. Put it around, and it has a back pocket right here. I probably wouldn't put anything other than like a card or receipts. I probably would never put anything too much in there because I wouldn't want to stretch it out. That's just me. It is an open, like a class type of situation. And it has like, I don't know if you guys can see on the side, but these different dividers. Is a structured bag. I do prefer structured bags. Even though the Lulu was not a structured bag, but it reminded me of my Alma BB, where I can, even though it's smaller, I can fit a lot in it because it doesn't have all these major compartments. But I just felt like this was just a beautiful bag that can go from day to night. And I just couldn't just pass up on this. I haven't really seen anyone in the States with this bag. I could have just not be looking or know anyone personally, but I was like, this needs to come home with me. And I can always get the other bag. Like, I wasn't pressed about it. And so here you just have like another like area you can put some cards in. Usually I use this area for like my wipes and things like that. It does come with some more like paperwork, care instructions. and it is like a velvet and black interior. Then it has the middle compartment here, and then it has your front compartment, which is probably where I would like maybe fit my phone, or I may actually put my wallet, depending on, you know, how I'm feeling, because it's easy access. Put it right there. So this is the bag. This is she. I don't know what I'm gonna call her. I feel kind of cornball if I did name her, but and sometimes, hey, you name your bags. But I do understand that this is a little bof a finer leather, so I will have to be somewhat more mindful. But I do purchase my bags to wear my bags, and I do find that, you know, wear and tear kind of goes to the beauty and nostalgia of bags. You know, not where it's just looking like, you know, beat up, honey. You know, take care of your things. But yes, so I am really excited about this. I'm going to give it a whirl. I'm really happy with my purchase. I'm so excited and to wear this out. And yes, let's just get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into her. Let's make her look, you know, just a little bit like, get into her, honey. Get into her. She's the perfect size. I'm not a really big bag girl unless I'm traveling. I need a big bag, or I'm like going to do some work at a cafe. I need something to like put my laptop in, but those bags come far and in between for me. I am looking for another tote bag. I was thinking of the Louis Vuitton Never Full, but I'm kind of steering away from that. I may want to just do the Goyard tote and some other totes I've seen at the Saint Laurent. I am a fan of the fashion house of Saint Laurent. It speaks to my style, my aesthetic. So along with like Fendi, Louis Vuitton, I like some pieces from there. I'm not gonna lie, I don't look, you know, some things are like a hit or miss for me, but I haven't seen anything from Fendi or Yves Saint Laurent that I did not love or like. They really match my vibe. And yeah. All right, so this is it. That's the end of my luxury unboxing, my Yves Saint Laurent handbag. Again, I'm going to put the name of it on there. So sorry that I cannot remember it right now, but excuse you, girl. Even for this, I have Yves Saint Laurent perfume on right now that everyone loves because it's really good. But thank you again for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look out for my luxury wish list. I will be coming up with that. I'm just trying to figure out what I really need in my wardrobe, what I would like to aspire to obtain, and to create a capsule closet. So if you like the content, if you like this video, hit subscribe, leave a comment, share this video. Let's, you know, expand the tribe. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, 1K subscribers, so please help your girl get there. And also, just remember this. You know, as we go through life and we watch these videos with luxuries and things like that, you know, sometimes it can make people feel away or things like that. And I always want people to say that, what I want people to know is that these are not things that you have to have. These do not define you as a person. It does not define me as a person. And I want you to remember that these videos are to be taken in fun, entertainment, love, and in light. And with that being said, remember this. You have a purpose in life. You are loved. And do not let anyone tell you otherwise. Until next time, honeys.